Welcome to Strong Future International Company. I congratulate you on your decision to register and become one of our members. You have made the right decision. The SFI Company is legal and stable company which is seated in Lincoln, Nebraska and started doing online business in 1998. The company has its board of directors and its president, Mr. Gary Carson. In its long history, the company has never operated with loss and has only measured success and growth. Employees have been receiving their incomes regularly every month for the past 18 years. An online store operates within the company. It is called Triple Clicks and it markets and sells various products. The company is not funded by monthly or registration fees. Furthermore, they do not exist. The registration and membership are free of charge. I will now show you how to register, how to fill in your profile, your SFI account, and how to contact your sponsor within the company. Your sponsor is there for you to provide you with assistance and to explain and teach you on how to successfully do business within the company. In the very beginning, you want to fill in the registration form. By clicking the link of the affiliate you have chosen to be your sponsor, you will open one of the registration forms. There are many registration forms, but they differ only in appearance. Their content is always the same. Therefore, whichever registration form you open, the registration process will be absolutely the same. You want to fill in the form with the required data and to register. I will now show you how to register using one of the registration forms as well as how to fill in your profile. Register by clicking the blue registration button and fill in the required data in the form. It is important to provide your true data. This is a legal company and everyone who is employed works using their true identity. You want to fill in your name, your last name, choose the country you live in and the country from which you will work from, create a password for your login, and fill in your email address, which you should confirm by clicking the blue button. You should only register by using a Gmail provided email address. This is very important. Email addresses provided by other providers such as Hotmail, Outlook, MSN, Yahoo, and many others are not usable and will often malfunction within the login process. Therefore, you want to register using only an email address that has been provided by Gmail. After you have confirmed your Gmail address, you want to click on the yellow button and register with the SFI, the Strong Future International Company. And get started with $250 in our contest for the new affiliates. The contest is called Class Cash. You can read how it works here. To enter the contest, you will need to first confirm your email address to which the contest entry number will be sent to. Click the blue button. Then, read the contest details and click Get Entered Now to enter the contest. After that, check your email inbox. Your Class Cash entry number will be emailed to you now. Click the Continue button. By doing so, a new page will open, which shows the welcome message from the company. The opened page and the following pages are designed to guide you through all the detailed information regarding the company, the way in which it operates, and how to earn your regular income. All of this will also be available in your native language as soon as you contact your sponsor. All of the mentioned information is available for you to further examine and study at any time. Therefore, I suggest that at this point you continue to fill in your profile and complete the registration. Click on the Continue button. The pages show the information regarding the company. You want to click on the Continue button until you have arrived at the page where you set up your account. Click the Go button. The following page contains the Launchpad lessons, which are very important as they are a part of your training within the SFI Company. Your sponsor will provide you with more detailed information in regard to this. For now, you want to click on the Affiliate Center in order to access your SFI account. The home page of your SFI account contains a welcome message from your sponsor with further instructions. You want to click on the Click Here button in order to access the welcome message from your sponsor. You want to examine it carefully. As explained, it contains the instructions for your beginning activities within the company. It also contains the link of the video that you're currently watching and the contact information of your sponsor. If your sponsor is online at the moment, they will send you a message for the pop-up window, and you can choose the option on how you would like for your sponsor to contact you. So, you want to be sure to choose one of the options because it is very important to get in touch with your sponsor. Your sponsor can help you with your first steps within the company and provide aid on further growing your business. The first step is to verify your email address. Click on the to-do list and then click on Verify your email address. This should be very easy if you have registered using an email address provided by Gmail. Click on the green button to confirm registration and your email address. You will now receive an email from the company within the inbox of your email provided by Gmail. The email contains the registration and confirmation link. You want to click on it and just wait a few short moments until the registration is completed. After this, we go to the next step, the step number 2, which is setting up the whitelist on your Gmail account. On the to-do list, click on Whitelist SFI and Upline Team Leaders. How to set up a whitelist on your Gmail account is explained in detail within your Gmail account. For now, just click on the green Confirm button to confirm that you have completed this step. Click on the to-do list and then click on Answer Account Profile Basic Questions. You want to choose your primary language, choose one of the options of how you have heard about the SFI company, tell us why you want to register with us and what is, in your opinion, the most important thing in order to operate successfully within the company. Your date of birth and gender are optional, and you can fill them in if you want to. After you have filled in all of the mentioned data, you want to click on the green button to complete your profile. Click on the to-do list and then click on Upload your account photo. You want to go back to your SFI account and set up your profile photo. First step is to choose a photo from your computer. Please provide your photo. You do not want to use abstract photos or photos that show celebrities, animals, or other people. After that, you want to set up the photo to be the right size for the profile. Click on the photo and then crop it and make it the right size. After that, save the photo you have cropped. The third step is to check if you have set up the photo correctly. If everything looks fine, save the cropped photo again. And the last task from your to-do list is to send the commitment letter to your upline leaders. Click on the to-do list and then click on Send Commitment Letter to Upline Leaders. And here you have the directions for ready-to-go action. Read the commitment message. Answer the 5 brief questions. After that, click Submit to send the commitment message to your sponsor. Click on the to-do list. In the meantime, your sponsor will accept the friend request you have sent to them on Facebook. Your sponsor will then contact you on Facebook and give you further detailed instructions on how to begin to work in the SFI company. You will receive all the necessary support from your sponsor and from your whole team. I want to welcome you again to the SFI Strong Future International Company. I want to wish you good luck with your work. You have made the right decision. Congratulations and welcome.